As avid videographers and content creators, we've been keeping a close eye on Blackmagic Design's latest offering, the Cinema Camera 6K. This camera promises to deliver the cinematic quality we crave, packed with a host of features that cater to filmmakers of all levels. After putting it through its paces, we're here to share our in-depth review and help you determine if this camera is the spud you've been waiting to plant in your cinematic garden. The Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. The biggest change? A full-frame 6K sensor that offers a whole new level of creative potential. Gone are the days of feeling confined by a cropped sensor. This camera's massive 36x24mm sensor gives you the flexibility to capture sweeping cinematic shots without sacrificing image quality. One of the standout features of the Cinema Camera 6K is its L-mount. This versatile lens mount allows you to use a wide range of lenses, from the latest Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma offerings to your existing vintage glass. With a short flange distance of just 20mm, you can easily adapt other lens mounts, like Canon EF or AR-IPL, without compromising image quality. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, whether you're looking to achieve a shallow depth of field or capture the unique character of vintage lenses. When it comes to image quality, the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K truly shines. Its full-frame sensor, combined with 13 stops of dynamic range and dual native ISOs of 400 and 3200, delivers stunning low-noise footage even in challenging lighting conditions. We found that the camera performed exceptionally well in low light, with a noticeable improvement over the previous Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. One of the things we love about this camera is its ability to capture true anamorphic 6:5 footage at resolutions higher than what's typically available on other cameras. Using anamorphic lenses, you can achieve that iconic cinematic look with those famous horizontal lens flares, all without sacrificing image quality. The camera's Blackmagic Generation 5 color science further enhances the image quality, delivering accurate skin tones and vibrant film-like colors that respond beautifully to color grading in post-production. Whether you're shooting in the Blackmagic RAW format or the more compressed H.264, the results are consistently impressive. The Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K may look a bit unorthodox, but its ergonomics and controls make it a pleasure to use. The 5-inch tilting touchscreen LCD provides an intuitive interface for framing, focusing, and applying 3D LUTs. The on-screen overlays give you all the essential information at a glance, from recording parameters to histograms and frame guides. We appreciated the inclusion of professional audio inputs with 2 mini XLR ports that support phantom power. This makes it easy to integrate high-quality external microphones into your setup, a must-have for serious video production. One potential downside for some users is the lack of built-in ND filters. While this is a common feature on many cinema cameras, the absence of NDs means you'll need to rely on external filters or stop down your aperture to control exposure in bright conditions. It's a trade-off, but one that may not be a deal-breaker for many filmmakers. According to us, the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K delivered impressive performance across the board. The dual native ISOs, as promised, provided a significant boost in low-light capabilities, allowing us to capture rich, detailed footage even in challenging environments. However, we did encounter some mixed opinions on the low-light performance. While we were generally pleased with the results, some users have reported that the camera struggles a bit more in very low light compared to the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. It's worth noting that your mileage may vary, and the low-light performance can be heavily influenced by proper exposure and post-processing techniques. The camera can capture up to 6K at 36 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second. One area where the Cinema Camera 6K shines is its workflow-friendly features. The ability to record Blackmagic RAW and H.264 proxies simultaneously is a game changer, making it easy to share footage and collaborate with others without sacrificing image quality. The high-speed CF Express cards also allow for direct editing from the camera's media, saving time and streamlining the post-production process. The Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K is an excellent choice for videographers and filmmakers who prioritize image quality and creative flexibility. Its full-frame sensor, cinematic 6K resolution, and advanced Blackmagic RAW codec make it a compelling option for those seeking a high-end yet affordable cinema-style camera. Including a full version of DaVinci Resolve Studio further sweetens the deal, providing a powerful end-to-end solution for your entire production process. While the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K is a powerhouse, it may not be the best fit for everyone. Beginners or users who prefer a more straightforward, user-friendly camera might find the steep learning curve and lack of built-in features like image stabilization and advanced autofocus challenging. Additionally, if you require high frame rates beyond 120 frames per second, or if you're primarily focused on run-and-gun videography, you may want to consider other options that better cater to those needs. The Cinema Camera 6K is more suited for a deliberate, cinematic approach to filmmaking. Overall, the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K is a remarkable piece of equipment for the discerning filmmaker. Its full-frame sensor, cinematic image quality, and versatile Leica L mount make it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-end yet affordable cinema camera. While it may not be the most user-friendly option for beginners, and its low-light performance is a mixed bag, the Cinema Camera 6K's strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. So, that's all about the review of Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.